It's disgusting.
I'll save by the phone, thank God.
You don't want to pick up the phone.
No, I don't.
So, your brain's feeling mush right now, Mother?
I'm unfocused. I don't see. I like. It's as if it's non-existent.
Yeah, that's okay.
And I lose patience. My patient threshold is
I'll be in front of the
less
house.
than nothing.
But that isn't that the whole point? We're trying to teach the kids.
Yay! Shut up!
No, you guys push her to the brink.
Yay!
You did push me to the brink.
Yeah, I just farted again.
Oh.
Here,
You
I'll
tried
dance
that?
with Bibboo. Laka laka lula. No, like I farted like I did like we should squirt one.
You don't do that.
Did you just squirt one there?
Good for you. Misha, put the dog down.
Nun nun nun. Nun nun.
Right?
What a...
No, but that's...
You were gonna say it. You were gonna say it.
Say what?
Guilty. She was gonna say douchebag. No, I was gonna say what a dummy. See, you just said it. That's not douchebag.
So is that helping in any way?
Yes.
How is
Mom
that?
says no, but it says yes.
How is that helping in any way?
I got gas because I ate too much cherries. What? I got gas. How is what I ate too much cherries.
I said, how's that helping you guys
Misha,
communicate
it smells
between
like
the two of
a
each other to get along? It doesn't.
Of what?
Oh!
Right in the crotch. I got
Did you see what your
gas.
daughter
I'm
did to me?
gassy.
Your daughter just
yeah.
shoot a string and she thinks it's funny.
No.
I hit her right in the crotch. You're gonna
If you're gonna say something that's
Ow!
intelligent,
Use your butt.
not something
Oh,
stupid.
No, that's enough.
Misha, 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 Misha,
If you're gonna do that, then just go
Misha,
like, walk in front. Walk.
Misha, Misha.
Put a sock in it. That's enough.
Yay! Yay, she yelled in her video. Lol.
Can we just get this done, please? I'm about to have a breakdown.
Mom's gonna have a nervous breakdown here again.
Freak out! That's water. Angry mother with shoes in the house.
Oh, yeah! Telling the kids not to wear shoes in the house, and what did Mom do?
Wear shoes in the house.
TJ, I'm done.
Go
You find it all hilarious. I'm
It is
done.
funny.
I'm tired. Just get
I know
out
you're
my
tired.
face.
I'm pushing button, that's what
You
I'm doing.
are.
Hey, kids! Do you guys... Hey!
Yeah.
Do you guys want smoothie, yes or no?
No. No.
Are you,
I
okay.
want to spin, shouldn't I?
What did you have for lunch today?
Absolutely nothing. He had Cheetos this morning. She didn't even have breakfast.
Yes.
Okay, so
I survived.
let's get you some lunch. How about
No.
Nicola? Can you make some grilled cheese for your sister, please?
Never.
Nicola!
I can't. She's killing. Face my rug. I'll push you on the couch instead of over.
Misha, would you like some mamas then, or you're gonna eat the same thing?
Get off me.
Or do you want Dad to
I
fix
just
some
poked
lunch?
something. I don't know what it was. What? You poked my eyeball.
Do you want me to fix you guys some lunch?
My butt is hurting now. What would we have if you would...
Well, what's your suggestion?
I would suggest... What would you suggest?
What do you want to eat?
Rice. No.
I
Rice.
want Eric to continue that way.
Anyways, you want us to go to Alex and Eric's?
We had that discussion earlier.
Ah!
TJ,
Oh,
can we just
I
get
know.
rid of that?
Maybe grilled cheese. Spider. The joking is just a leaf.
Okay, so you gonna have some grilled cheese then?
Sure. I'm not cooking it.
Yes.
You
can.
don't even need to. I will, because I'm really fed up with your attitude.
No, I'm not
No,
cooking
I
it.
don't give a hee-haw right now.
Thanks for filming, Dad.
The camera was on my
That's just making Mom more angry. So Nicola,
Somebody missing.
can you
Strangle anybody.
can you make some grilled cheese for your sister, please?
What?
Okay, Mom's gonna make some grilled cheese, right?
Yeah, because I'm fed up.
Okay, okay, Dad's gonna finish the shake.
Ow, 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 ow.
If you buy 2 packages of this, it's still $100. It's not all of it.
Yes, Bob. I will survive. I will survive.
But you can eat it.
We're not. I'm hitting it with the camera. Ow.
Okay, Misha, come here for a second.
Give me a second.
No, don't shake the camera.
That's good.
Misha, come here for a second.
Take that.
Can you get him away from me? I got the clams. Get off me. Get off me. I'm gonna break the camera. Get off me. Get off me. I'm getting in the way. Oh my god. What a killer machine. I win. So, Mommy, Daddy has a dumb question for you.
No, she has a question for Dad. She's like, why would you pay that much for meat? And I
You
said,
need to take a shower. You smell like poop. I can smell literally poop from here.
so whose sandwich is this one?
They're sharing it. I
Oh,
just
okay.
mentioned that to you.
Kids, your lunch is ready. You're gonna share that with your brother. What? No, you're gonna share that with your brother.
Somebody didn't empty their dishwasher. No.
That's Nicola. Nicola, you didn't empty the dishwasher this morning.
You're gonna have to open that.
No, Misha, you already did this morning. I know. It's Nicola's turn.
Mom did it this morning.
No, Misha. You want to try that again? I said who was right. You were arguing with me, weren't you?
I'm right.
You know, this morning when Misha was in her babu mood, and I said to her, I said, you know what? You can either A. What did I say to you this morning, Misha? I can't remember.
I don't know.
Do-
A, clean laundry or B, do the dishes, so I did both of them.
Nice. But you still didn't finish your laundry. You still have it downstairs. You did the dishes, but you still have your laundry downstairs.
It's in it. It's washing.
No, I put it in the dryer for you. It's ready to go. It's done. That was nice enough to put it in the dryer for you. Now you have to fold it and put it away. And that half a sandwich is your brother's, by the way. Yes. Unless you ask Mom to get you another one.
No,
What do you mean no? You gotta make another one for your boy.
no. They're sharing that one till it's disappeared. I'm not making any more.
Well, Nicola knows how to make his own.
I will butt
As I said, let them eat that one. That way there's no wastage. If they're hungry still, then you can make another one.
Did you agree with that, Misha? Did you hear what
Yes.
Mom said?